Discover the beauty of the Turkish language. Learn with passion. Grow with knowledge. Turkish Language Academy. Learn Turkish with us.
Welcome to Turkish Language Academy. Let's begin today's lesson.
In today's lesson, we'll learn the most confusing Turkish suffixes in a very simple way. If Turkish suffixes confuse you, you are not alone. Let's get started. Number 1. De, da, te, ta. Location suffix. In, on, at. These suffixes show location. Examples: evdeyim, evdeyim, I am at home. Okulda ders var, okulda ders var, there is a lesson at school. Kitap masada, kitap masada, the book is on the table. Important rule: if the word ends with a hard consonant, we use ta, te. For example, kitab, which means book, becomes kitabta, kitabta, which means on the book. Remember, kitabta is wrong, while kitabta is the correct word. Very common confusion. The suffix de and the word de, which means also, are different. For example, ben de geliyorum, ben de geliyorum, I am also coming. Ben and de are written separately. These are two different words, ben, de. Number 2. Ki, ki, which means belonging or the one that. The suffix ki shows belonging or relation. For example, evdeki çocuk çok tatlı, evdeki çocuk çok tatlı, the child in the house is very cute. Masadaki kitap benim, masadaki kitap benim, the book on the table is mine. Important rule: the suffix ki never changes. Evdeki is wrong. Correct word is evdeki, evdeki. Replacing a noun. Benim kalemim mavi, seninki siyah. Benim kalemim mavi, seninki siyah. My pen is blue, yours is black. Number 3. Me, ma, mu, mu. Yes, no, question suffix. The suffix turns a sentence into a question. For example, geliyor musun? Geliyor musun? Are you coming? Bu film güzel mi? Bu film güzel mi? Is this movie good? Writing rule: the suffix is written separately. Geliyor musun is incorrect, while geliyor musun, two separate words. Geliyor musun, this is the correct form. Number 4. Dir, certainty, assumption, or general truth. The suffix dir shows certainty or assumption. For example, bu iş zordur, bu iş zordur, this job is difficult. Ahmet evdedir, Ahmet evdedir, Ahmed is probably at home. Important note: in daily speech, there is often not used. Number 5. Mish versus the. Past tense confusion. The past tense. The is used for past events we know or witnessed. For example, dun geldim. Dun geldim. I came yesterday. Mish, past tense. Mish is used for heard or realized past events. For example, gelmiş. Gelmiş. Apparently he came. Çok güzelmiş. Çok güzelmiş. Wow, it's very beautiful. Simple comparison. This is the heart of the versus mish confusion, so let's unpack it slowly and clearly. What this comparison is really teaching. It's not about tense, it's about how you know the information. Turkish cares a lot about source of knowledge. English mostly doesn't. Number 1. Geldi, biliyorum. Geldi, biliyorum. Here the sentence is O geldi. O geldi. He came. What it really means? It means I know this for sure. Why? Because the means I saw it, or I personally experienced it, or I am 100% certain. So in your head, Turkish is saying, he came, I know it. The hidden meaning is I was there, I saw him arrive, I have direct evidence. Number 2. Gelmiş, duydum. Gelmiş, duydum. Here the sentence is O gelmiş. O gelmiş. Apparently he came. What it really means? I heard this. I found out later. Because mish means I didn't witness it. Someone told me, or I heard it, or I realized it afterward. So in your head, Turkish is saying, he came, I heard it. The hidden meaning is I wasn't there. This is second-hand information, or I am reporting, not confirming. Why English learners get confused? Because English says he came. Here no info about how you know. Apparently he came. An extra word is needed. Apparently. Apparently he came. Turkish says geldi. I know. Gelmiş. I heard. Apparently. Turkish builds the evidence in the verb itself. Super clear memory trick. The hidden meaning of the is I saw it or I know, while the hidden meaning of mish is I heard it or I found out. If you remember just this, you will be right 90% of the time. Always remember, in Turkish, verbs have ears and eyes. The has eyes while mish has ears. So these are the most confusing Turkish suffixes. With a little practice, all of them become easy. See you in the next lesson. Görüşürüz.
I hope you liked today's video. Be sure to let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Turkish Language Academy. Thanks for watching. Görüşürüz.